Hey everybody, today I'm working on a 12 by 12 canvas and I'm only using 3 colors today. The first color I have right here is black and that is from the Fine Touch. And the second color that I have is 2 colors mixed together. The first one is orange yellow from the Fine Touch and I mixed that with cadmium red light hue from Liquitex Basics. And then I have right here, I have my cloud effect mix, which is Artist Loft Floetrol white mixed with Behr satin enamel ultra pure white. Alright, so I am going to be doing a ring pour with cloud effect today. So I'm just going to go ahead and get my gloves on and get started. Okay guys, so I got my gloves on and I'm just going to go ahead and get started now. I'm going to start with the orange in the bottom of the cup. Okay guys, so here's the painting all dry. I love the way this looks. I love all the poofy cloud effect. I love that the colors blended really nice. The middle looks really cool. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. And there is actually a part 2 to this, so make sure you keep an eye out for that. Alright, so don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, check out all my links in my description, and have a great day.